Hello students, welcome back to our channel of Emerald Guidance Educational. So in today's video, I am going to discuss about careers in artificial intelligence. There are only very few students, in fact, who know about the career in artificial intelligence. It is a new area of computer science, I would say, or technology, which is going to create many job opportunities or very good career opportunities in coming years. Now, what is artificial intelligence? As the name indicates, artificial intelligence simply means, we have a natural brain with which we act or we do any type of work. So, if our natural brain is replaced by a machine or a computerized machine which is going to do some work, then it is called artificial intelligence. You know that while searching on Google, we use our voice. While unlocking our mobile, you may use your fingerprints or face recognition patterns, etc. So that is artificial intelligence. In coming years, we all know that driverless cars will become a reality. In fact, in many Western countries, the driverless cars already have been put up on the road. So in few years time, in India also we will get driverless cars. So driverless cars would mean less chance of accident as the report suggests till now. So these all are artificial intelligence. Using artificial intelligence, manufacturing process can be conducted. Various robots, they work on artificial intelligence. So the careers in artificial intelligence can be very big and large. In fact, in coming years, according to NASSCOM, right now we have around 2.5 lakh job opportunities for those with skills in the field of artificial intelligence. Now, students, after class 12, what are the courses that can be done that is available in India? In fact, 3-4 years back, there were no courses available in India on artificial intelligence. Now in India, there are some institutes which are offering courses on artificial intelligence. Now, what are those courses? First is B.tech degree. The first institute in India is IIT Dharwad, which is present in Andhra Pradesh. That institute launched B.tech in artificial intelligence and data science in the year 2018-19. Okay. And now IIT Hyderabad has also launched a B.tech degree course in artificial intelligence. And then we have IIT DM Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, which is also offering B.tech 4-year degree course in artificial intelligence. And there is another course on artificial intelligence. It is BS degree, that is Bachelor's of Science degree in artificial intelligence, which was launched in the year 2018 by Mecot University in West Bengal. They have also launched BS degree in robotics, which is also a part of artificial intelligence. Now, these are some of the famous institutes where you can get or where you can study artificial intelligence for B.tech or BS degree. And in fact, there are some private engineering colleges as well in various parts of India which are also offering B.tech degree in artificial intelligence. So if we talk about IIT DMs, only Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh has a B.tech degree in artificial intelligence, and other IIT DM like IIT DM Jabalpur and IIT DM Chennai and Chennai, which is IIT DM Kanchipuram, in fact, which is present in Tamil Nadu. They also offer a B.tech degree course not in artificial intelligence but in smart manufacturing. Again, smart manufacturing is a very new field, but it is very innovative. And I always believe that engineering has been a subject of study where innovations have come over the last 50 years, and new branches of engineering have always been added. If you talk about 30 years back, there were only around civil engineering, mechanical, electrical or electronics and communication engineering. Now we have more than 30 branches of engineering available even in India. So engineering is a very large area, big area where you find various branches, and with time new branches do come up with various institutes depending upon the requirement of various industries. Now artificial intelligence is of course, yes students, NIT Surathkal has also got a course in B.tech artificial intelligence. So these are some of the institutes in India that are offering courses in artificial intelligence. So you will have a great career. Right now the ranking required for artificial intelligence will be quite high. because students who are very aware about this field will be applying for artificial intelligence. Now, whether you are picking up computer science in B.tech degree or artificial intelligence, it depends upon your interest. But as I was telling about a new branch of engineering, smart manufacturing. Smart manufacturing is only available in IIIT DM, that is Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design and Manufacturing, Jabalpur, which is the oldest IIIT DM, and there are other two IIIT DMs. One is present in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, and the another one is in Kurnool. So they are also offering B.tech degree in smart manufacturing. So smart manufacturing is nothing but manufacturing using artificial intelligence. So in coming time, most of the industries, production industries will be using smart manufacturing, will be requiring smart manufacturing engineers. So this is also going to be a very good career in coming time. So new courses, as I said, that artificial intelligence, smart manufacturing related areas, so they will be in demand in coming time. So this will not be a bad idea to go for a B.tech degree in smart manufacturing or artificial intelligence. So for this particular video, that's it. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel so that you can know about new careers in the field of science and technology and innovative as well. Thank you.